Luna is a longtime leader in very high resolution distributed loss measurements, which we refer to as the optical backscatter reflectometer. Our newest OBR is the OBR 6200 series, which takes that technology and packages it in a portable, rugged package that is perfect for field and maintenance applications such as diagnosing, troubleshooting fiber optic networks in aircraft and other installations. So the OBR 6225, this is a 2-channel version with 2 channels of reflectometry. We're scanning this typical harness, fiber optic harness here, looking at the return loss of the connectors. And here you can see in the plot, we get a very high resolution plot of loss versus distance, which we can scroll in. And the resolution of this device is 80 microns. And with the cursor, now we can select a connector reflection and calculate automatically the return loss and the insertion loss of that connector with very precise spatial resolution.